Are you gonna do it for me?
Yeah.
Okay, you do it.
Today we're talking about embellished jeans for kids.
Yay!
Papa, papa, papa.
Welcome back to Secrets of a Stylist. Brielle and I are so excited to see you guys. For those of you who don't know me, I am a celebrity fashion stylist, and my little co-host is Brielle, and she is a kid stylist. I'm not kidding. She really knows what she's doing. Do you know that? It's crazy, actually. So we just want to welcome you back, and before we get started on the video, what do we want to tell them?
Subscribe if you like it.
Who should watch this video? Any kids? Kids?
Yep.
Yeah.
Kids and adults.
And apples?
Adults.
Kids and adults. Yeah, so that we can give them ideas, right? If they want to buy gifts or buy clothes.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
They would just like buy it, go boom,
They want them just to buy the clothes. Or they can get hand-me-downs and like dig through.
Yeah, go like that.
Who's gonna get all your hand-me-downs? Because you have good clothes. Your sister? Are you gonna give it to your sister?
Well, once it's done for my sister, then it goes to my little cousin named Claire.
Oh, Claire, you got some good clothes coming, Claire.
She's so cute.
She is so cute. Okay, well, should we get started? Okay, so today we're talking about embellished jean trend. It's trendy for adults and it's trendy for kids. And it's such a cute thing to do. And do you know what embellished jeans are?
Yep, they're patterns on jeans.
She's right. Any type of pattern on a jean. And so one of the things that you need to know about styling embellished jeans is you want to keep everything else pretty plain, right? Yep. So just like we've done here. So Brielle, we added a white t-shirt because a white t-shirt is always easy with any embellished jeans. That's an easy no-brainer.
But look at her, jean, white shirt, and then a sweater like that.
Yeah, and a jacket, and the army jacket. And then you and Brielle wanted to add this mint jean jacket. Yeah, we got that one at Justice and she looks awesome. Let's be honest, it's kids fashion and kids should have fun. They should have fun and adults should have fun and not stress about it. But if you want to have fun with the trend, then you just style something casual on top, right? Yeah. And then she picked out some really cute shoes. And why'd you pick those shoes?
Just because it was really, it looked really cool because of the triangles on it and the bow.
Yeah.
And the pink stuff on
Yeah,
it.
and the pink matched the pink, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So she picked some pale pink shoes, so she's right on trend with pastels and the embellished jeans. And are they comfortable?
Yep.
Yeah, the most important thing is they're comfortable, right?
And also, if we have fun dressing up.
Yeah, that's fun, right? Brielle is showing you embellished jeans look number 2. We found these jeans in the Gap and they have, what are these on them?
Emoji.
Those are emojis.
Look at this one. I love this one the most.
Is that your favorite emoji?
Yeah.
On these jeans?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that emoji too.
And I also like this one and this one and this one.
This is very cute.
Oh, that one looks so funny.
I love that emoji. I use that one a lot, actually. I use this one a lot too. So embellished jeans are supposed to be really fun, and these are fun for kids, and Brielle really liked them because they're emojis. And who doesn't like emojis, right? Yeah.
They're so cute.
They are so cute. And so you could really wear these with any. We put it with a white t-shirt, and Brielle styled these boots because she loves these boots. Which shoes did I say you should wear these with?
The checker boots.
The checkered shoes. Should we ask them which ones they like? Why don't you, so you show them your boots, and you can model in your boots, and then maybe we'll throw on the checkered shoes.
Okay, I'll show you one of this.
Okay, now you show them the other ones.
Which one do you like, this one or the black ones? Comment down below and tell us which boot did you like. If you just say checker and just say black boots.
Black boots. So I love these ones. Brielle and I were having a little style debate, and Brielle loves the boots, and I like the black boots too. Actually, I think the issue with these ones maybe we're not totally the right size, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were like, I think they were like 11.
They're maybe an 11, so they're like a little tiny bit too small. So I love these jeans on you. So what do you think?
They're cool.
They're cool, and they're fun, and they're comfortable.
They're cute.
And they're so cute. Which would you know?
I don't know.
You don't know? I thought it was your show.
Next one.
We're talking about Look 3 of embellished jeans.
$24.
You need those. I need that outfit.
You do?
She's still dancing. We just had a dance party. She's still going. I wish I had that energy. You're doing awesome. These are my favorite jeans that we found. And the shoes are my favorite. I'm dying. What do you think about these shoes? We love them. I need a pair in my size. They're Charlie Brown Vans, and I'm obsessed. And I think Brielle's obsessed now too. She's into it. Either that or the cookies kicking in. I think the peanut butter cookies kicking in. Can you imagine if one cookie did that to me? That'd be so awesome. Like have a cookie in the morning and just be like,
Charlie Brown. Wait, where's Charlie Brown? Oh, there he is.
Yeah.
That's not Charlie Brown. I can see him. Ah, there he is.
So cute.
Right there in the red shirt.
They just look so darn cute on you. I can't stand it. Those would look cute with the dress too, like a little pink dress. Yeah, plain. You'd have to have a plain dress though, because the shoes are busy. This is your size of jeans. I like them.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, ready. Go.
This is our fourth look.
This is our fourth look. We love this embellished jeans. What are you gonna do now? A little bit of stitching. Who's on your jeans? Snow White. I love it. And we got these at the Gap and they're super cute. We styled them with Brielle's cute little gray boots. Perfect with black gray jeans. Easy to throw on. They kind of look like my boots, but mine don't have sparkle. We're kind of matching, eh?
But yours is pointed and mine is curved.
Good point. Good point. Yep.
Snow White, she is drawn with white, and she has an apple. And what she did is bit in, and then she fell asleep for a long, long time.
She sure did. Fell asleep for a long, long time. And then her prince came, right?
Yep.
Sure did. Yep. So we like these jeans, and they look really cute with your gray booties. What other color could you wear with these jeans, do you think?
Red.
Red. What other colors in that stitching?
White.
White. What other color?
Pink. Green.
Yeah.
And some pink.
So you know what you could wear with those as a jacket? You could wear a jacket like mine, like an army jacket.
Or you could also wear a black jacket.
You could also wear a black jacket. We don't have the black jacket down here, but you could wear a black jacket.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But we don't have an army jacket, but we have a pastel jacket.
Me too. I'm gonna find you an army jacket because you need one.
Yes.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, here is look. We don't know what look this is.
Look number 5.
Or 5. It is 5. Here's look number 5. I saw these. I'm totally in love with these. These look like a mini Stella McCartney jean. How cute. They're also from the Gap. Actually, all of these embellished jeans are from the Gap. We went in there and they had a whole pile and I fell in love and Brielle fell in love.
And then I went like, ah.
And then she went, ah. And we picked them all up and said, we need to do embellished jeans. So here we are. And we paired them with the sparkly shoes that we also got at the Gap. So this is a great look. I'm loving it. I'm loving the stars. I'm loving the easy top. What other things could you wear with those jeans? What colors?
I'm a star.
You are a star.
Look at that. It's a funny joke. Do you get it?
I got it. You are a star.
Ooh.
Many stars. That is a super funny joke. It's actually quite a mature joke for a 6-year-old. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode.
If you liked the video, then hit the red button down below and subscribe.
Good idea.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody. See you next week.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Oh, I almost punched there.
You did.
I like them.